In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create successful Google Ads search campaigns. Start by signing into your Google Ads account and heading to the Overview area. From there, click the Ad icon to begin creating something new. Choose New Campaign, and when Google asks how you want to set it up, select the option to create a campaign without guidance. This gives you full control over settings and avoids auto-applied recommendations that might not match your goals. Next, pick Search as your campaign type. Search campaigns put your ads in front of people actively looking for what you offer, which is why they're a great place to start. Click Continue, and if you're prompted to choose a goal, go with website visits. That keeps the setup aligned with bringing qualified traffic to your site while still letting you customize everything. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name. A simple naming convention helps you stay organized later. Include the market or location, brand or product, and the intent like US, brand, search, visits. For bidding, select clicks, then set a maximum cost per click limit. This cap tells Google the most you're willing to pay for a single click and helps you control costs while the campaign is learning. If you're unsure where to start, choose a conservative number and adjust based on early performance rather than setting it too high out of the gate. Open audience segments next. Switch the setting to Observation. In observation mode, you don't restrict who can see your ads. You simply collect data on how different audience segments perform. This is ideal for a new campaign because you can later apply bid adjustments to top-performing segments without limiting reach on day one. Now set your daily budget. Think of this as an average daily investment. Pick an amount that's meaningful enough to gather data but still comfortable for your total monthly spend. Remember, Google may spend slightly above your daily target on busy days and less on slow days, but it evens out over the month. When you're ready, continue to the ad setup and enter your final URL. This is the page people land on after clicking your ad, so make sure it matches the search intent and loads quickly on mobile. Consistency between keyword, ad message, and landing page will improve quality and reduce costs. Once you've reviewed your choices, click Next and publish the campaign. That's it. You've launched a focused, well-structured search campaign with control over bidding, a smart audience observation layer, and a budget that matches your goals.